Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we are going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft EU Pro, which is a diagnostic tool aimed at European manufacturer vehicles. So in this vehicle we're in a Land Rover and we have an airbag light, so we're going to reset this warning light and show you how to do it with this simple DIY easy to use tool. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So the tool is plugged into the diagnostic port. The simple process is just to basically click on Diagnostics, select your manufacturer, and then go through the motions. Depending on the manufacturer will then depend on what options appear on the screen, but in this case it's allowing us to select our vehicle, so that's what we'll do. And we'll click onto manual for manual selection. So we're going to select the SRS airbag system and read fault code. It's giving us two fault codes here. So the first one is B0028, right side airbag deployment control, and the next one is B1212, driver safety belt buckle pretensioner deployment control. So we found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which is causing the airbag light. So all we need to do now is, well, we've put everything back together, tightened everything back up, clear fault memory, click enter, giving us one final warning message, just making sure that is what we want to do. When I click enter, just keep an eye on the airbag light there. There we go, the airbag light is gone and we have a raise operation done on the screen here. So it's a great tool, and as I say, it covers a lot of European manufacturers, well, all European manufacturers really, for all of the systems within those vehicles as well. It's a great kit and it's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. As I say, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching and I hope it helps.